but the hand can also be used to do bad. Now, our hands can either transfigure, and you have transfigured your children the way you took care of them. No? You have transfigured them. If you look at them from their babyhood and now in their adulthood, and now that they have their own family, your children can just go back to the past and say, I'm very appreciative of my parents on how they took care of me, and I'm very proud of them. That is transfigured. You have transfigured them. You have made them as a good citizen. But you can also disfigure them. Especially if they don't obey you, especially if they disrespect you. You can spank. Nowadays, that is not allowed because they will report you to the police. Abuse of minor. During my days, my parents, the eyes is enough. Isang tingin lang, alam na namin. Nakuha ka sa tingin. Now, it is the child, makuha ka sa tingin. Nanay, ha? It's now the reverse. No? Instead of the child afraid, no, of the parents, now the parents are afraid of their children because you will be reported. 911. So don't buy your children a cell phone. Or they will report you to the police. Okay, so we can raise our palm in Hosanna or stretch someone for crucifixion, just like what happened to Jesus. How do we treat one another in the different steps? Do we treat them, do we transfigure them, or do we disfigure them? It's a good point for reflection. We are just Sunday pa lang. And I can already... We are very close to God. Hello. We stay away from Him. True. Because wala ka naman makukuha eh. So, marami tayong kaibigan kapag meron tayong makukuha sa kaibigan natin. No? Gethsemane, no? Nung si Jesus was at the height of His frustrations and disappointments, and who was there? Nandun nga sila. Tinulugan lang si Jesus. Si Peter, no? One of the close friends of Jesus. Nang si Jesus, talagang he needed someone to be with Him. Now, at the point in our life when we are at our lowest, sino ang nandyan sa tabi? Sino yung dumadami sa iyo?
Nanay.
Meron ba? Andyan pa ba yung mga kaibigan mo? Mabibilang mo na lang ba ang kaibigan mo? Dati ang dami-dami nila eh. Group. Now, Monday. Mamaya mag-aalasin ko na yan. Sasabihin ko. Spark mo lang. Okay, now, take note of the image of Mary. Siya yung kapatid ni Lazarus. What happened to Lazarus? Lazarus got sick. And it was too late for Jesus to come and heal Lazarus. But Jesus was not worried because Jesus has power over death. And He can bring the dead to life. No? So, and this is what happened. When Lazarus died, Jesus came and asked Lazarus to come out of the tomb. And Lazarus came out of the tomb and he was raised from the dead. Since then, Mary did not forget what Jesus did to them. No? Kasi matalik na kaibigan nila si Jesus eh. So, Jesus never had forgotten. Kasi when Jesus was sad, frustrated, disappointed, He would always go to this family composed of the two sisters, Mary and Martha and Lazarus. So, but imagine raising the dead. No? Raising the dead. So Mary could not forget that. And when Jesus was about to die, and Mary has to prepare Jesus for his death, what Mary did was to buy the most expensive oil. No? The most expensive oil. No? And even the price of the oil is not enough, no, to reciprocate, no, the kind of goodness that Jesus has shown to this family. And what was the reaction of Peter? Peter said, "Why do you have to buy the most expensive perfume? It's the same oil. There is a promo in Welcome. Why did you not buy there? It's buy one, take one." When someone has done good to you, no amount of money, no, can equal, isn't it? And that was also the point of Mary. You know, Peter, even if I have to buy a dozen of this, it's still not enough, no, compared to the resurrection of my brother Lazarus. And then Peter just got quiet. So that is how Mary treated Jesus at the time of his death. From her heart, mula sa puso. She is the only one among the disciples of Jesus who recognized and appreciated the presence of Jesus. When Jesus was hurting, nung alam na ni Jesus that he will have to suffer, Mary, who is not even a disciple of Jesus among the 12, was the one who prepared him. Where are the 12? Para bang, asan yung mga kaibigan ko? Nasaan yung mga members ko? If you are an officer, where are my members now? Akala ko walang iwanan. I have done so much good for them. But where are they? Sometimes in life, you don't have to give. Most of the time in life, you just need to be there. Diba? Ando ka lang. Wala kang binibigay, pero your presence, wow, is very valuable. That is why in funerals, sa mga wake, lagi na nila sabi doon, and blesses us. Lalo na doon sa iba sa inyo, kasi hindi pantay-pantay ang blessing ng Diyos sa atin. Yung iba doble bless, yung iba bless lang. Yung iba half bless. Yung iba parating pa bless. But regardless, no? What is the worth of our generosity to God? Hindi natin mapapantayan ang generosity ng Diyos. We cannot equal the generosity and the blessings of God. No? But still, we would like to reciprocate the generosity of God. Your being a member of the apostleship of prayer is already part of your way of thanking the Lord. And some of you, since you have become an apostleship of prayer, have been blessed by God. I believe that. I believe that. And those after many years are still here. No? Ba ninyo na si Jesus is 24/7 sa inyo? Kahit hindi ka tumatawag, andyan lang siya. Andyan lang siya. So that is the assurance that I'm giving to you. That once an apostleship of prayer, always an apostleship of prayer. Through faith and faith. Kahit na lumisa ka na sa apostleship of prayer, I tell you, mariretain mo pa rin yung pagiging ibig. Kasi na ano ka na eh, na-transfigure ka na eh. At hindi na mawawala yan sa'yo. Sasama ang loob mo, magbabago ang landas mo, pero I tell you, you still remain as an apostleship of prayer. And malaki ang itinulog sa'yo ng apostleship of prayer, kahit na lumisa. So ako, I don't mind. Kasi, of Holy Tuesday. Holy Tuesday. Now, take note. One on the left, one on the right. Okay. Nasaan si Judas dyan? Guess where? Is Judas there?
The closest to...
Yan, ni Marites.
The closest to Jesus.
Ang bilis kita hulaan. Tempted. No? The last appeal to Judas. Ang matalik na kaibigan, no? A best friend is usually seated either on the left or on the right. Ang matalik na kaibigan is seated on the left or on the right. Now, where is Judas seated here? Traitor! O, sino yung nasa kaliwa mo, sino yung nasa kanan mo? Jesus was attempting to redeem, to save Judas from doing his plan of selling him or exchanging him for several pieces of silver. And then what Jesus did was to plan this meal. Because the meal is a meal of intimate friends. When you have friends, you invite your friends for a meal, di ba? No? Kahit na ba sinangag lang yan, tsaka tuyo, no? But the importance of the meal, no? But most of the time you will prepare good food, no? So anyway, so here, it's an act of hospitality to Judas, no? It is a token of intimacy. It is giving honor to the person closest to your heart. When you invite a person, I don't know when your husband proposed to you, was it done during a meal?
Yes.
O yung bola-bola lang? The person closest to his heart. So this final grace of affection was done by Jesus to save Judas. In fact, what Jesus did was to get a piece of bread, and then from that piece of bread, dip it into the chalice, and then offer it to Judas. And Judas rejected. Why? Nako, this is where you have to be very careful. Because even among intimate friends, there is a Judas.
Yeah. True.
Even among intimate friends, there is the devil. Hindi naman siya devil, but the devil can influence him. Yeah. No? Pwedeng pumasok yung masamang spirit. And I have already experienced that. No? Hindi ko akalain, totoo pala, to get you and snatch you away from God. So, imagine, in front of Jesus, Judas betrayed him. In front of the officers, your member betrayed him. So, nakaranas na kayo yun. So, hindi kayo nag-iisa. Because it can also be very close to us to steal us away from God. Notice, yung iba sa inyo, no? And nakwento nyo na rin sa akin, ha? When you are praying at night, before you hit the bed, may mga bubulong-bulong sa inyo. Who is that? A failed relationship, failed expectation on the part of Jesus. Failed expectation. To sit on his side is reserved only to his most intimate friend. To drink from the special cup is a sign of friendship. All of this were rejected by Judas. Kaya last appeal. Now, at times, ginagawa natin yan sa some of our members. The last appeal. Ako sa inyo, look at of Jesus, there is a betrayer. Is it I, Lord? Ako ba yun? Press. Ako ba yung tinutukoy mo? Press. Have I betrayed you? Or on your part, have I betrayed somebody? Meron ba akong itinakwil? O ako ang itinakwil? Ikaw ang itinakwil. Naranasan mo na ba yun? Na itinakwil ka? Na ipinagkanulo? Na pinagkwentohan ka nila?
So many.
Ang dami mong pwede pagkikwento. Ba't ikaw ba? Saan mo sila?
You're not old.
Na maubos sila. Ay, hindi.
Namay?
Pray na i-save sila. Nadulas.